In this video, I'm going to show you how to block websites on Chrome Incognito. Now, what you want to do is first type block site into Google and then go to the first website that pops up. We're going to add this to Chrome. So it's an extension and you just click on add to Chrome, which is going to take you to the Chrome Web Store where you click on add to Chrome again and then click on add extension. So there's many extensions. This is the one I use to block sites, but you can use any other one you'd like to. It's not really necessary. Now, once that's done, as you can see, you can then block websites. But the problem is, we want to block websites on Incognito windows. Now, the way you do this is simply click up here and go under Manage Extensions. And then find the extension. So this is the block site extension. And go under Details. And then scroll down here where it says Allow in Incognito. You simply toggle this, so you enable it. And then, as we can now see, when you go into Incognito, so new Incognito window, and you click up here, as you can see, the block site extension is now available in Incognito as well. And let's say I want to block Twitter or X, and as you can see, it's not blocked yet. Now, you can click over here and block this website. So click on block this site. And as you'll now be able to see, if I want to go to Twitter again, so type x.com, it does not let me because I've blocked this site. And as you can see, I'm in Incognito and it's still working. And this is how you block websites on Google Chrome Incognito mode.